The Social Security Administration, SSA, is changing its identity verification process, no longer allowing individuals to verify their identity over the phone for benefit claims and direct deposit changes. Starting March 31, individuals must use online authentication or visit an office in person. While claims can be initiated by phone, identity verification must be completed in person. This change impacts over 72 million Americans and coincides with planned office closures, particularly affecting rural communities where the Affordable Connectivity Program's shutdown has hindered Internet access. The SSA cites direct deposit fraud as the reason for the change and plans to implement the Treasury Department's account verification service and expedite direct deposit changes to one business day. How will these changes affect individuals in rural areas who may have limited transportation or reliable Internet service access? Given the planned office closures, what measures will the SSA take to ensure that the in-person verification process is efficient and accessible?